Good day, everyone. So today we will have a new lesson in our block 5. So as you can see, Garfield is dancing because he is happy to have our new lesson for Mathematics 1. Are you ready? I guess everybody is enjoy or excited for our lesson for today. So before we proceed with our lesson proper, let's have a small review of what we have learned for the past days. Can you tell me how many tens and how many ones do we have on the screen? Okay, very good. How many tens? Okay, if we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 tens. How about how many ones? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 ones. So what would be the number we can form in 9 tens and 9 ones? Very good. We can form the number of 99. Very good. So what if we will one or add one block? Okay. Again, if we will add 99 plus 1, we got very good. What is the next of 99? Good job. That is 100. So how do we show 100 blocks? So let's count the tens in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can say that 10 tenths is equivalent to a place value block of 100. So today we will learn about numbers 0 to 100. So this would be your first lesson in our block 5. So this would be our aim for today, that I want you to write in your notebook or copy the following in your notebook. Students will be able to show numbers from 0 to 100 in various ways. Again, students will be able to show numbers from 0 to 100 in various ways. Let's proceed with our activity wherein we need to write the number of tens and ones of the given place value blocks. Again, we need to write the number of tens and ones of the given place value blocks. So let's start with letter A. Can you tell me how many tens and ones are there? Okay, let's start with our ones. This long, thin rectangular shape represent 1/10. So how many tens do we have there? 1, 2. So we can say that there are 2 tens. How about ones? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 ones. Or there is 8 ones. So what would be the number we can form in 2 tens and 8 ones? Good job! You got the correct answer. The number is 28. So you are doing great for this activity. So let's proceed with our next activity wherein we have letter B and C. I want you to pause the video and able for you to find out what would be the tens or how many tens and ones are there and what would be the number can be formed in the given place value blocks. I want you to pause the video and able for you to find out how many tens and ones and what would be the number we can form in the following place value blocks. Time is up. So I guess everybody are enjoying counting tens and ones and its number. So let's check your answers. Let's start with letter B. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 tens. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 ones. So what would be the number we have formed here? Very good. Letter B, there is a number of 49. Good job. How about letter C? How many tens and ones? Okay, if we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 tens. How about ones? 1, 2, 3. There is 3 ones. So what would be the number form in letter C? Very good. That the number we can form in letter C would be 73. So you got a good job for your activity B and C. I know you got the correct answer. So keep it up. So how can we show two-digit numbers? Enable for us to show two-digit numbers, let's have an example of 49. Always remember that your first digit in your left direction is your tens, and your second digit would be what we called ones. Always remember that your tens is bigger than your ones. So how can we show 100 in a place value blocks? Okay, so this big rectangular shape that has an equal of 100 ones and or 10 tens is equivalent to 100. If we will cut this 100 into a vertical line, we can get 10 tens. If we will cut it again, if we will cut our 10 tens into horizontal line, we got 100 ones. So this is the various way of showing our hundreds in a place value blocks. Now that you know how to find out your tens and ones and the number we can form in that given place value blocks, let's try this one. Find the missing number of the following. Now I want you to pause the video again and able for you to answer and find out what would be the missing numbers. Time is up. I guess everybody is done answering our letter A and B higher thinking order skill of finding the missing number. We'll start with letter A. We have 56, 57. What would be the next of 57? Okay, very good. That is 58 and 59, 60. Did you got the correct answer? Very good. Let's have letter B. We have 95, 96. What would be the next of 96? Excellent. That is 97 and 98. Then the last would be 99. So now that you know how to find out the missing number and count how many tens and ones that we can form in a number. I want you to open your classwork. This would be your classwork workbook in page 25. That is seatwork number 1, numbers 0 to 100. Again, I want you to open your workbook in page 25. Seatwork number 1, numbers 0 to 100. And do not forget also to work on your content book, practice questions 1 to 3, page 47, that you need to answer directly in your notebook. Then after answering your workbook and your content book practice questions 1 to 3, I want you to submit everything in your classwork activity in the Google Classroom. So that would be all for today. God bless.